So Apple made a polishing cloth and it costs $19. You heard that right, $19. And it's been out for a little while now. It's been sold out everywhere. So I wanted to try it to see if it's actually worth $19 or whether you should save your money. Let's try it out. In true Apple fashion, the unboxing experience is clean, minimal, and borderline excessive for something that just wipes dust. No user guide, definitely no stickers, and just a cloth. In case you're wondering about the size, it's roughly the same size as a slice of bread. So let's put it to work. First up, we have my MacBook screen. Unfortunately, smudges and marks and fingerprints on the screen happen all too often. But luckily now we have this cloth to get rid of them. But I'm gonna be testing this against a free microfiber I got from work, and also an old dusty tea towel rag that I have in the kitchen. So how do they fare against this $19 premium polishing cloth? First up, my Mac screen. The smudge is gone. Great, but also the free microfiber cloth I got from work also gets rid of the smudge. And yes, even this used kitchen rag, not exactly glamorous, but still effective. At this point, the Apple polishing cloth is just the stylish option. Next up, an iPhone. And look, it works fine. There's no scratches, there's no issues. But then again, so did the other two. So we tried it on Apple products, but what if we have a monitor that's not made by Apple? If we don't want to spend $6,000 on a Pro Display XDR, which is ridiculous. So I tried it on my Asus monitor as well. It didn't catch fire, it didn't break, it didn't scratch. It just cleaned it like a normal microfiber. So this Apple polishing cloth doesn't break when you use it on non-Apple products. Although on their website, Apple have a compatibility chart for this microfiber, which is just crazy. According to Apple, you can't use this on devices lower than an iPhone 5. So if you try this on an iPhone 4, God knows what will happen. I'm not sure what damage a microfiber cloth could do to a piece of glass, but obviously Apple have had that compatibility chart for a reason. Surely there must be a reason behind it because it's a piece of cloth. You know, people have been cleaning their stuff with a lot worse than this and haven't paid $19. So if you're watching this on an iPhone 4, don't buy this. And to be fair, the actual quality of it, as you would expect for £19, pretty good. You cannot tear it. I've tried to be really firm with it. It's still got its original creasing when I got it out of the box. I've had it out of the box for a few hours and it looks exactly the same as when it came. When you scrunch it, still has the original folding. I can't seem to tear it, I can't seem to pull it. It looks very sturdy, I will admit, but remember, you're paying £19 for a piece of cloth. Then I did a quick water test. So I poured water on it to see if it's water resistant, and as you can see, it's not. But like any normal piece of fabric, it got a bit damp. Naturally after this, I wiped down my kitchen table with it, and yes, it worked. So what's the verdict? The Apple polishing cloth is a soft, well-refined, and smart piece of fabric. But is it worth $19? No. What I would do is get rid of that, go on Amazon and buy a pack of 5 cheap microfiber cloths. They'll work just as fine and it will save you some money. But it's still just a cloth. You're paying for branding and not some crazy secret technology. All microfiber cloths seem to clean pretty well and this one's no different. But if you're an Apple enthusiast and a big fan, you're gonna buy it anyway. So buy it, enjoy it, it will clean all your screens perfectly. And don't worry, normal videos on this channel will resume very soon. Thanks for watching, see you soon.